Sergeant Bruce Cesar.
Hi everyone. UFOs, UAPs launching from Montreal, Canada, just on the outskirts. You want to share the research? Please take a look at the playlist of shorts or the short section of hundreds of research videos, the rarest you'll ever see on any social media platform. And now, the Moon Wars. Shooting. How about that? Everything straight up clear proof for you all to see. You thought it was close when I showed it? Well, it wasn't, and we're going to get in a lot closer. But the attention I'm getting for a UFO getting fired at and firing on other UFOs is effing ridiculous. Everyone should be interested in this. Concerns all of our lives. As a matter of fact, the Pentagon right now is hiding the truth and doing everything to block the bipartisan Senate's transparency bill. Nobody that has proof or evidence that someone's on the moon will be able to get it out, they told me. Didn't believe them. I think they were right. And by the time I get to the end of this video, if you don't believe the moon is inhabited, you never will. I guarantee you, you'll never see another video like this on the internet in the next 20 years coming. No one's going to show you this. This is something that every 1,000 years, 100 years, decade, continually since the beginning of time, are trying to hide. Sometimes they destroy an entire human race, and not only once, just to hide a secret and to start all over. Fighting or not, on the moon, how many years has all this been going on under our noses? And on top of it, say to yourself, most of the military high-ranking officials don't even know about this. Compartmentalized. Everything's compartmentalized. Let's get it up more to the real speed and a little bit faster. Like the bullet that almost killed Donald Trump, and in the image, that line that goes by, you could even see that in the footage. There's lots to pull out of this footage. There are two factors, two things they take into consideration when somebody exposes something that should be blocked. You could show some footage that they could block it without me giving any information on the footage that I got, but on top of having the information and the footage, I'm maybe adding some information to my research that's maybe exposing something, so more and more they block me. This video should legitimately go viral. Even with the suppressing of the information here, I think it might even go viral. If the right people pick up this video, it's extremely revealing. It shows exactly what every researcher is looking for to prove or to find out whether it's happening or not, a possible war on the moon. And you could see several other objects or living beings underneath the atmosphere and hazes right here. Look at the UFO shooting out a projectile or a light coming from it, or lit or not, you agree with me it's an object coming from a UFO. Imagine how close I had to get to show you this. This can literally be a landing where humans, maybe a c.i.a. secret project, the military, Navy, foreign countries. Listen, we're only talking about the US here. In reality, China, Russia, and I'm just naming names here because we never know the truth about anything. But we do know one truth. There's someone up there on the moon. I've proved it. And whether it changes the world or not, I'm not necessarily here to do so. I'm here to share what is up there, and also to have you all share your opinions on what you are seeing. It'd be nice to get more than 50 to 70 comments per video, but it does prove that I'm being shadow banned. If we make a decision on who these beings are, human or alien, based on scientific facts and what we know about history here on Earth, we can only hope that the history was not manipulated and that we were not lied to. But we were, and that's the problem. So instead of having a video with everything explained in it, do you not prefer seeing this, the absolute truth, before your eyes without having any explanation? and notice that it literally defies all reality. It also defies what every single professional researcher in every country of this world, hundreds of them, not hundreds of researchers, but hundreds of countries that talked about the moon being desolate, that talked about there being nothing up there being no activity up there. What are they all part of? They're all part of the UFO cover-up. It's not like they said it was. It's completely different as to what they said the moon was. Everyone in the entire world, how could they have all gotten it wrong? Because they're all part of something. The UFO cover-up. No need to explain anything. You're seeing what I'm seeing. You can think whatever it is, as I think whatever it is. We tend to believe what we want. Or it's just a straight up proof. Well, I'm noticing the trend. Everyone wants the truth. When it comes out, everyone denies it. Everyone wants Jesus to come to earth. When he comes down, we crucify him. You understand? In theory, it's my belief, in theory because I'm protecting myself, that the moon has been bombed and in theory can possibly still be being bombed. We could be fighting with aliens or whoever's up there. It's dangerous for me to show all the examples of the bombing of the moon in here, as this object out of control. Hey guys, it could be debris crashing onto the moon, right? We're not going to hide it. It doesn't mean that I'm pushing into your minds that it could be a war, but why deny it right off the bat? We're talking about theories here. We're all adults. It could be a war, it could be debris, it could be natural meteors crashing. If you want to think that, what the hell would I be doing catching meteors at the moment they're crashing onto the moon? I think it's more likely that I'm capturing an invasion of the moon or the people of the moon that are fighting there. That's a pipeline or something, oil, water going through it with a blue spot at the end at the bottom of Copernicus. So much to show, so much they hide. We have objects from the surface shooting the lights going by from the surface into the atmosphere of the moon, and we have these craft that are dropping off projectiles of light that, I mean, it looks like a bomb, doesn't it? Watch. Out of control, and then something comes out of it and it heads down to the surface in a massive explosion. You see the plume of smoke and fire, like hell fire. Check it out. Paul Sabo, Pat Yassar, Darla Lama, Ruth Kelly, everyone who contributed, gifting out the memberships, and every way you have, Kristen Kruger, Michelle Preston. Thank you so much for the generous contributions, everyone. Thank you, Eric Dubé. Merci pour tout. Aliens on the moon. When are they going to tell the world? Come on, Pentagon. Aliens on the moon. Aliens on the moon. And they're mining. They're mining on the moon. Aliens on the moon. Thank you very much for the support to this channel. Everyone, thanks for the generous contributions and thanks for watching the videos. Aliens up down on the moon. They may be even coming right here soon. Aliens are mining on the moon. Yes, they are up there. Doesn't matter cause disclosure's coming soon. Disclosure's coming soon.